Welcome to this quick guide on how to create a sprint in JIRA. JIRA is a popular software tool used for project management. A sprint is a set period of time during which work is completed on a project. Let's say you're planning a vacation with your family and want to use JIRA to help manage the planning process. Here's how you can create a sprint for your vacation project in JIRA. First, click the Create button in JIRA, then select Sprint from the drop-down menu. Next, fill out the details of your sprint. Give it a name, set the start and end dates, and add any relevant information in the description box. For our vacation project, we might call the sprint Summer Vacation and set it to run from June 1st to June 30th. In the description box, we can add details about our destination, travel arrangements, and activities we want to do. Now it's time to add tasks to your sprint. These are the specific items that you want to complete during the sprint period. For our vacation project, tasks might include booking flights, reserving accommodations, planning sightseeing tours, and packing for the trip. Simply click the Add Issue button and enter task details. As you complete tasks during your sprint, you can move them to the Done column in JIRA. This helps you keep track of progress and stay on top of your goals. And that's it. Creating a sprint in JIRA is a simple and effective way to manage your projects, whether it's planning a vacation or working on a software development project. Thanks for watching this quick guide on how to create a sprint in JIRA. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and follow our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle.